So this SL that was sold to my customer was told it's a mint car. As soon as I put ignition on, it says needs a service, 147 days overdue. So how mint the previous owner is, well, your guess is as good as mine. We've had to strip it all. People think these things are easy and you want to pay 100 quid. We're having to totally rewire the car because every component is broke, pretty much full of water. By the time we finish, we'll fix the leak and we'll fix the radio and show you a bit more in a bit. But this is how far we've had to strip an SL55 AMG. There's the faulty components. As I come round, plenty of rust. All could have been prevented if the water leak was fixed, but it was ignored. I'll keep you informed as we go along. All these marks in the leather are from the previous car seller trying to fit audio. Totally wrecked the dash, all to save a quick buck. Probably get it all heated out for him. Okay, so Mercedes finally completed. I'll show you. Okay, Kenwood 7190 installed. Working pretty smooth. Got Apple CarPlay. Got navigation, as the guy wants to travel through Europe in this big luxury beast, big cruiser. Got DAB. And CD and DVD. So we got old school mixed with new school. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. Where's B&B Audioconcepts? Anything is possible if the price is right. If the price is right, come on down. Speak to you all soon.